front row on the Beast. It almost sounds like Six Flags. They're taking the whole visual scan and then the clear approach, or at least I remember hearing that at Six Flags. But here we are on the front row of the Beast. I've never done it before, and after Blue Streak was surprisingly good, I decided to try it. Not that this ride needs any help. This is a great ride. I do love it. Alright, friction wheels on the side. Front row Beast. Oh wow, we're not going to slow down. We're not going to slow down, which means that the train in front of us is already clear. I lied. It is going to slow down. Surprisingly, we figure out that that's not a theming aspect. But instead, it's so that we don't get to the first part.
Thank you.
Are you done? But so that the train ahead of us clears that whole section. That's why it's slow, and it speeds up as soon as they're past it. That's why we are now speeding up. They're good. And here we go, front row Beast. Come join this 4.5 minute journey with me. Let's go. Oh boy. Yeah, and we're going, we should see the second train as they come out. Yep, there they are right there. And front row Beast. Not remember it being that fast. And of course this lift hill doesn't slow down because there's no point to it really. Halfway through. Wow. We just came from over there. And we're almost inside the car at all times. This second lift is a lot quicker than I remember. Alright, and we're already back there. This is the beautiful Kings Island. This part actually is one of my favorite parts on any roller coaster. Not my favorite, but one of them. This incline drop is really fun. Wow. That was great. That was great. I don't remember so many laterals being in that ride, but that was a great ride. And I can't imagine what Legends Helix is like, because everybody says that one's better than the Beast. But I think that's one of the greatest endings to a ride that there is. So yeah, that's going to do it. Front row Beast POV, thanks for riding with me. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and wow, what a great classic ride.
if you want it, a smooth ride, here's a little surprise, baby. Because I am not calibrated, they're a little overrated. Everybody's looking at you. Wanna find the peace of mind that everyone is looking for. You might as well just find a different groove. And if you want it, a surprise, here's a little advice, baby. Don't go looking for it, everyone will know you're boring. Up for sure, it's snoring when they're looking at you.